Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the ProTech Expo 2013 right here in Los Angeles. I have with me Dr. Rick Carden of ProOne. It's a private company. Rick, welcome to SNN Live.
Thanks for having me, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Tell us all about ProOne.
Thank you. ProOne has very advanced lubrication and fuel technologies. Our lubricating technology is entirely biodegradable, plant-based, many uses. We can drill oil wells without pollution, and when used in any internal combustion engine, gas, diesel, biodiesel, we guarantee the engine for the life of the use. So we're used in marine engines right here at the Port of Long Beach, for example.
What's it made out of?
It is made of a series of non-food plants in a absolutely secret Coca-Cola formula technology.
So when you say that it's a fuel,
we have another of our technologies is a fuel technology. We add it to the fuel, whether that's gas, diesel, or biodiesel, and it increases mileage and reduces pollution and increases engine life in any internal combustion engine. So we can have we are used in ships here at the Port of Long Beach. We're used in school buses in Anaheim, where we eliminate the black smoke, reduce the maintenance, and increase the mileage.
How do you know the difference when your product is being used and when it isn't?
Well, we have every kind of independent test you can imagine because, as you may know, this field is full of snake oil. First, we used to say we use the highest quality snakes, but actually, our product works. And we have many independent tests. And then, of course, most of our customers, or many of the big trucking fleets or something that would use us, they test it themselves. And then they say, oh, my gosh, I'm saving 11% on my fuel. This is absolutely huge. In a recent test of Caterpillar diesels, we saved 11% of the fuel cost. Now, that's huge. Our products are environmentally friendly, but we sell on return on investment. People use us not because of the environment, but because we save them money.
So how do you deliver?
Different ways, Shelley. To the oil industry, we deliver it by the truckload. For trucks, for example, diesel trucks or railroad engines, it comes in about a 1-gallon container, and it's put in about in the ratio of 1 to 3,000 to the fuel. So with just a small 1 little ounce put in your automobile gas tank will treat a whole tank of gas.
And stretch it?
Well, yes, it gives you more mileage. Mm-hmm.
And it reduces
pollution, and it increases the engine life. For example, the low sulfur diesel fuels that are now being used, those reduce the lubricity and injure the engine so that they look good for a little while, but then you're hurting the engine. Our product increases the lubricity, so it saves the engine. The same with biofuels. They're not good for the engine, and they're very polluting. But we reduce the NOx pollution 28% in a biodiesel.
What's your background?
I have a doctorate in finance from Harvard Business School, director of the Cambridge Research Institute. I'm on the board of directors of exciting companies, but this is the most exciting one I've ever seen, so I've thrown myself into it.
Who created this?
Elton Alderman is the original founder. He's an expert in lubrication and automotive for his entire career, and he hired some really brilliant technical people to work with him. Some super famous names. The products have been used by almost all the famous racing drivers. We've won a number of international racing awards.
What is the website?
The website is www.one.us, ProOne.us.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rick Carden of ProOne. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live. We're at the ProTech Expo 2013 in Los Angeles. Rick,
thanks. You, Shelley.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.